for us, when you do choreography, especially Ramba, any other dance as well, to keeping the right but correct body position is extremely important. So what we mean by that? So if you put your weight on the right foot and left foot to the side, now of course you want to engage your muscle leg. Now your tummy in and chest is over your feet. Now in this position, slightly lifted and being over, we try to dance all our steps. So for example, if we have that, let's do our basic from cucaracha, from our combo section. So when we do this combo, it's very important for us to keep the correct body position where your tummy is in and upper body constantly, your spine over. So if you take a look on the side from us, it has to look a little bit this way, not this way, a little bit here. Now, why is it important? Because when we dance with a partner, especially for me, what I like to feel is when we connect, even without rocking our spine, we have already feeling of two spines connected together, two spines connected, and then we start moving, then we can sense each other movement. Even she's going away, even without connection, she's there. I want to feel like her spine virtually connects to me. Like if I draw a line, this line gonna cross somewhere here. It's very, very important because that creates a feeling of togetherness. So when we do, for example, difficult choreography like this one, so now our body orientation is slightly different. So she's facing this way, I'm facing here. But inside our spine, in her head, her spine should be towards me. Like her feeling should be like spine is there almost, even she looking there. So in this case, we create like a small pyramid together between us. So then when I send her and she goes away, I feel that she's very easy connected with me. And here, when Kristina was explaining you the same idea, when she stepped forward, even though, she's not turning herself, but her spine already towards me. So when I turn her, I have constant feeling that she always with me, yes, here. Excellent. So constantly spine together, spine to the partner, spine to the partner, spine to the partner, womb. So here I can change her, spine to the partner, womb. So then I can manipulate her body in my own timing. Womb, especially here, this moment, she has to really, really come forward, but let's say if your body is not in correct position, doesn't matter how much you come forward, I still don't feel the right. So basically when she's on her back foot, I should already feel her spine with me. So when she turns, especially on the hip twist, even she turns, I want to feel her spine towards me. Then I can play with her, changing her directions the way I want it. And actually before this turn as well, her spine towards me, so I can flip her a little bit stronger. So body position is very, very important.